Alright, so back in July, this man was on the way to the Honda meet that was actually just over that trail, around the dealership obviously, but over there we were on the way to a local Honda meet, and this damn thing decided it wanted to spin a bearing. So I've been working for the past couple hours, just taking my time. We got this ready to come out. As you can see, the only thing holding this thing in right now is the driver's side transmission mount, passenger side, and then the post mount on the engine side. And we're gonna be doing a battery relocation because Midwest rust and crunchy, ripped apart. So yeah, we're gonna have to cut that out. But the only thing left to do for this thing to come out is drain the coolant. We didn't have a pan. But if you look here, grab it, and you can actually, it's completely loose and ready to go. I've already got the shift bars out, got the torque mounts out, got the CV shafts out, so this thing is just ready to be pulled out. That was kind of the whole day today, was to get this to be pulled out. I've done this before with this car because I put the motor in this car when I got it. So yeah, I have a little bit of experience with these. But we got a short block tomorrow that we're going to get out in a town about a half an hour from here. Then he ordered a MLS head gasket with, I told him to do some head studs. It's a Y7 bottom end, but it should work since this is a Y8. But a Y7 is the same thing people do. VTEC swaps all the time, and I know the short block's going to work just fine. Told him to get timing belt too. Yeah. But honestly, for the Midwest, he was going to park this car out, but I told him not to because, Midwest, this is always rotted out. It's rotted out on my car. The only real rust on this car is, of course, rear quarter panels, like always, which normally happens here, but also there. And then the inevitable spot on all these EKs is right up in here. These always rust out. There's no getting away from it. All rot away. So, but yeah, I told them that we can just cut that out. Well, we're going to save this car because it's not that bad. So, cooling done. We need to get that drained. I'm going to finish taking the manifold off another day. And then, yeah, this thing's will be pulled out probably sometime this week.